At Ceasefire, we are dedicated to building a safer planet. Our vision is clear: increasing the world's safety quotient, and this vision takes shape here. Nestled in the foothills of the Himalayas in Dehradun, India, stands the beating heart of the Ceasefire ecosystem, a world-class manufacturing facility where science meets engineering and global standards meet absolute compliance. This is where safety is not just manufactured, but engineered down to the last detail. Every process here follows a single truth: in a fire, there is no second chance. From the careful selection of raw materials to precision manufacturing, from exhaustive testing to final validation, each Ceasefire product is built to perform flawlessly when failure is simply not an option. With the capability to manufacture over 800,000 fire safety products every year, this ISO 9001 certified state-of-the-art backward integrated facility encompasses in-house container manufacturing, advanced deep draw stations, precision valve manufacturing, a world-class paint shop, and a highly sophisticated quality testing laboratory. The production unit is fully compliant with the factory production control requirements laid down by the highest global standards, including BIS, UL, LPCB, BSI Kite Mark, MED, VDS, CE, Red Ensign, UKCA, JAZ, ANZ, ISO, and OSAS. And these are not badges on a wall. They are disciplines embedded into the core operations, guiding how we manufacture and how we serve. At the center of it all are our people, the torchbearers of integrity, ethics, and excellence, nurtured in a culture of mutual respect, continuous learning, and recognition for work done right. Because Ceasefire's values are more than principles. They are our moral compass, ensuring that as an organization we don't just do well, we do right. Built on a demand-centric manufacturing philosophy, a Ceasefire solution is deployed every 61 seconds somewhere in the world. From fire extinguishers and in-panel suppression systems to kitchen fire suppression, total flooding solutions, and advanced fire alarm systems, Ceasefire is among the rarest companies in the world to offer a complete firefighting portfolio under one roof. From this facility, our solutions travel far beyond borders, protecting people, property, and purpose. Ceasefire, increasing the world's safety quotient.